Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest Beauty Loop Box from Mecca. This year I have downgraded to a level 1 box. Last year I was a level 3, the year before that a level 2. So this is my first time being a level 1. So I'm curious to see what we got in the box this time. Let me know in the comments if you're a different level and what you got in your box. I'd love to know. But yeah, let's dive in. So it's not actually a box this time, it's more of like a little cardboard pouch. Slide it out and, check the QR code for product info, which, prefer the cards, but, it is what it is. Alrighty. Oh, looks like we've gotten a Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I really like this setting spray, so to get a little travel size version of it is actually really good, considering I really like the product. And I think it's a great product for other level 1s to try, should they have not tried it yet. Yeah, it's a really great product. I think that's a good one to receive in the box. Next, we have a tiny little, I'm going to assume, lipstick from Laura Mercier. I've never tried a Laura Mercier lipstick before, so that's actually really cool. This is in the shade Rouge Old Time. Yeah, very cute little tiny little lipstick, which is really great to receive. I feel like when I was a level 2 and a level 3, I didn't receive like things like this. So this is, I feel like level 1s actually get really good products in my opinion. So I think this is really great. And it's quite small, so in case you've got a really small like clutch purse or something, it'll fit in there quite easily if you're, got a small bag. So yeah, those sorts of lipsticks are really handy to have. We've got a couple sachets. This is a YSL one, which is really cool to have a YSL product. This is the Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. That actually sounds really cool. I'm keen to give that a go. A serum. And it's YSL, so that's actually really cool. I'm keen to give that a go. And we've got an Estee Lauder serum, the Advanced Night Repair, pretty famous serum. I've got a sample of that as well. I feel like I might have tried a sample of it years ago, but yeah, definitely keen to give it a go and kind of see if it's something I do like. And yeah, those are the 4 samples we received in the level 1 box this quarter. I'm actually pretty pleased with it, to be honest. I've not been a level 1 before, but I think for a level 1, this is actually really good products. And I feel like in the past, as when I've been a level 2 and a level 3, we didn't get this good of stuff as like what this is. Like, yeah, the products were good, but like, I feel like this is the kind of things that a level 1 is going to enjoy. Like, I feel like as a level 2 and a level 3, I was getting my money's worth in terms of what it took to get to that level, whereas a level 1, I think these are amazing products. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the box. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. What did you get? If you're a level 1, did we get something different? And if you're a different level, I'd love to hear what you guys got in yours. I think I saw that level 3s and 4s had a Charlotte Tilbury box, which I was pretty bummed, the fact that I just got downgraded from a level 3, so it sucks that I didn't quite manage to stay a level 3 long enough, but that's okay. It means that I'm not spending so much money, so that's probably a good thing at the end of the day. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in yours in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.